first spotted James Eberhard on Instagram during the Christmas season, that barn red trim and wainscoting made quite an impression as a backdrop for his holiday display. Christmas is so many people's favorite decorating season, with fall a close second, but we don't make those decisions about who gets a feature in which issue. When I showed James' home to our Country Sampler editor Donna, she saw past the Christmas decorating entirely, all that barn red, the blue painted furniture, the Americana collections, and knew immediately this was a 4th of July story. And she was absolutely right. James had taken a blank slate 2013 Arizona track home and transformed it room by room into a primitive Americana showcase, adding millwork throughout to give the feel of a historic post and beam salt box, the kind of home he dreamed of but couldn't find in Arizona. The moment you walk through his front door, that transformation is complete. James inherited some of his grandmother's pewter collection and has been adding to it ever since. His grandfather built this hutch, James painted it charcoal and antiqued it as a tribute to them both. The crown jewel of the living room is something James built himself. There was no fireplace here, just a blank wall. James designed and built the entire surround, paired it with a black cabinet of the same color for visual weight, and packed both floor to ceiling with primitive collections, folk art, and patriotic accents. Those open shelves with worn white beadboard show off even more of his pewter collection beautifully. James had great vision and a real sense of design to create this kind of focal point, a cozy collected corner that feels like it belongs in a New England salt box. master bedroom is where James' color story reaches its peak. Mustard yellow shiplap wraps 2 walls with barn red trim, warm, rich, and completely enveloping. The detail work is extraordinary: blackbirds and stars above the windows, red furniture that ties seamlessly into the flag coverlet on the 4-poster bed. James carried his palette and his passion all the way into this room. Every piece feels intentional, every detail personally chosen. This is a man who simply loves his country and loves his craft, and this bedroom is a proof of both. James started with a blank slate and built something truly remarkable. His home is proof that you don't have to live in New England to create a primitive country-style home. Living in the desert of Arizona may mean searching a little further afield for inspiration antiques, but James had the imagination, the skill, and the patience to make it all his own. A wonderful American country retreat and a reminder that great style knows no zip code.